Have you tried to grow microgreens? Microgreens have become very popular these days. What are microgreens? Essentially, they are seedlings of edible vegetables and herbs. They are very nutritious. According to the Vegetable and Fruit Improvement Center of Texas A&M University, microgreens have a higher level of vitamins and carotenoids much greater than mature vegetables. You can grow them from a variety of beans, lentils, mustard seeds, flax seeds, cilantro, parsley, etc. and make different dishes with it, such as omelette, quiche, or you can eat them just as it is in green salad. These days, not many people have a lot of land for a vegetable garden or time to tend a vegetable garden. In this video, I am talking about how to grow microgreens in your own kitchen without soil, fertilizers, or any special containers. To start growing your microgreens, first get your choice of seeds. Next, get a container. This is a container you normally throw away at home. Since this is a fruit container, this already has some holes in it. If not, you may want to put some holes for the excess water to drain. I keep it in a tray like this so the excess water will maintain the humidity for the seeds to sprout well. Then layer this tray with a few layers of paper towel. I have already washed these seeds. Spread the seeds evenly into this container for the foliage to grow well. Then sprinkle some water over it. You do not necessarily need a spray bottle. You can simply sprinkle some water with your own hands. Keep this in a dark place, such as in a laundry room or inside a cabinet. I cover it so that the humidity will stay inside the cabinet and in this container, which will help the seeds to sprout well. By third or fourth day, you will see the seeds will be sprouting. In between, you may want to make sure that there is enough moisture. If not, you want to sprinkle some water over it. Once the seeds have sprouted like this, you take it out of the dark place and leave it by a window or wherever you can get some good sunlight. At first, the stem looks kind of yellow like this, but when you leave it by sunlight, it's going to change its color to green and you will see the leaves will start growing. And make sure that you water this, like sprinkle some water in it every day. After 8 to 10 days, the microgreens would have grown up to this level. And it will stay fresh and green like this for a few more days. When you are ready to eat it, you can simply pull it with its roots or you can cut it with the scissors. If you have cut more than what you need for a day, you may keep it in a dish like this and pour some water, which will keep it fresh for a day. Now, you have learned to grow microgreens in your own kitchen. Thank you for watching and enjoy your microgreens.